Alright, the Ford Figo concept was not the only superstar at the Auto Expo this year around. There were some real Bollywood celebrities as well. So up next, Sabah Kazi gets you all the action and lowdown from the world of Bollywood and Auto Expo combined.
Well, time to see all the glamour right here at the Auto Expo. And who's got in the glamour here? Kareena in the house. How is it coming at the Auto Expo? Like all about automobiles here. To see a little bit of Bollywood, not bad. And it's Kareena in the house here.
Well, I think it's nice. Like I said earlier, that I'm happy that Mr. Dilip Chhabria invited me. I think he's been such a pioneer in the automobile industry. So the fact that they wanted me to come and unveil such a gorgeous looking car, well, I think it's quite a compliment, because there's nothing better than a beautiful car and a beautiful woman.
And aren't the DC vanity vans like the most revered ones in Bollywood? Have you had a chance to take a look at them?
Yeah, I think most of all the actors and actresses want to, have their own personalized vans made by Mr. Chhabria himself. And I think it's more about the style and the comfort that he offers, which I don't think anyone in India has the class to kind of do. And I think it's been also over the years there has been, I think, such a reputed name and a trustworthy name. That's the most important thing in any business, I feel.
So when you're going on a drive with Saif and he's at the wheel, do you ever have this moment where you're like, "Dheere chalao"?
I mean, I generally don't like fast cars. I'm quite, scared of speed.
Really? Someone who's worked in Agent Vinod is saying that?
Exactly. No, I know. I don't like fast cars and like even sitting on bikes and all. I'm in fact always the first one to be like, go slow. In fact, the first time I met Saif, when he took me on a bike ride, all I kept saying was like, go slow, go slow, go slow, go slow, go slow. So he was like, there's nothing that you've said to me on this entire drive. I was like, yeah, and that was actually our first date.
Okay, ever this moment where you took your family car out without telling your mom, like sometimes during your teens maybe?
Yeah. I think I've had an accident when I was like a teenager when I tried to drive. It was a 118 NE and I had no clue how to drive, and that was the first and the last time. And anyway, I think women look more gorgeous when they're chauffeur driven.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. And what's the best place to go on a drive? I know not Bombay where you stay.
Well, I quite like the roads in Delhi. I think they've done such a good job, and it's I mean it's more open and there's more space. Bombay is very, very crowded. I mean, I don't know why. I think it's also because of the auto rickshaws, I feel.
Okay, and what's the most funkiest color you would like for your car? If it's a DC designed car, what is the funkiest color? Maybe neon. What would that one color be?
Well, I think it would definitely be the color of the Tia. I think I love the yellow. I've never seen a car that's got that. It's not even like a bright yellow. It's got this very beautiful sheen, which we just unveiled right now. So yeah, I don't mind having that car for sure.
Have you made that call to Saif and said that this is what you want now for Valentine's Day?
Well, in fact, great. Like I said there, that I'm definitely going to tell him that he has to book one of the cars. And especially, I like the SUV video also. So it would probably be that.
Thank you so much for joining us, and you looked fab along with a very fab DC car out there.
Thank you.